Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is July 17th, 2021. Market is officially closed. Let's head to those short streets and let's see how the market performed. First chart we're looking at is the S&P. If you like what you hear, make sure that you hit subscribe, like, leave me a comment, let me know what's on your mind. S&P closed at 43.2716. Record high is 43.9368. We recently hit that, and I believe that was from last week. If we zoom in, let's see if we can get a better look at how this is breaking down. We have a beautiful trend that has been continued for quite some time here. We've had a couple hiccups. Our 20-day moving average here has held us up to stay in line with that trend. There are still no signals of this slowing down at any point in time. Last week I pointed out how this could be a hangman candle. This week we closed into that candle. We could continue and eventually test out this 42.80 type area. And if we do that, we want to see if we can have a bounce. If not, ultimately, we do not want a failure of this 20-day moving average. If that breaks, then we likely have a good chance of this starting to at least pause for the time being. So S&P isn't really showing any signals of slowing down anytime soon. Target price is still 4,500. With this week closing like it did, like I said, no signals that I see. And we're going to move along to the Russell ticker IWM. And this is the one that I constantly keep an eye on. We're going to zoom in. We closed at 214.95. For the longest time, we've had some moderate support at that 220 level. It's bounced around a couple of times and it's been in this chop zone for a while, man. And now we're finally starting to break out of it, and it's to the downside. That recent close below its 20-day moving average is signaling that this is ready to make some type of significant move, at least to test this 210 area or even this 200 level. And if we get there, that would be the best time that I see to start trying to scale back into the market as far as IWM is concerned. So with all that being said, I'm looking for next week to likely be some type of continuation to test out at least this first level at that 210 area. And if we pull ahead at that point, then that should be good. We've had 1, 2 tests, the third one being the first time that we ever hit it. If we get into a fourth one, chances are it might not hold up, but we will see how that performs when we get there. That is it for this week. Remember to check out my boys Marathon Money every single week. My podcast, Stocks and Bars. New episode is out. I'm working on a new one, and I want everybody out there to enjoy your time. It is very valuable. Make sure you own it and get out there this weekend. Get some fresh air. Spend some time with your family. All this money stuff is good. Without them, it's nothing. All right, peace.